Halo, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesia News with me. In Indonesia, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Experts say that the Delta variant is one reason. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the most cases and deaths. Among fully vaccinated people, evidence shows a small minority getting breakthrough infection. In medicine, a breakthrough infection happens when a virus breaks through the barrier a vaccine provides. In parts of India, a second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to feel overwhelmed. The capital city of Delhi, the highest daily cases of infection. Hospital beds are full, medicine and oxygen are in short supply, burial places are running out of space, aid from other nations is coming, but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelmed. In the early 1950s, researchers found that people scored lower intelligence tests if they spoke more and one language. Research in the 1960s found the opposite, so which is it? Researchers presented their newest study in February at a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The latest evidence shows us that bilingual does not necessarily make people smarter, but researcher Ellen Bialystok say it probably does make you better in certain skills. Thank you.